In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your coolant reservoir on your Ford Focus. It's located on the passenger side under the hood. Remove your cap, and you're going to use something like this to siphon out your coolant. Make sure you have a container to put it in. Squeeze these and remove this line from the reservoir. You're going to remove this one as well and transfer it over to the new one. Use some needle nose or some pliers, squeeze your clamp, lock that hose clamp down, and then take this hose off. You may have to break this free by twisting it. Put your hand on the reservoir. Remove the hose. I usually put a rag or something in there in case there's any residual fluid that wants to come out. At this point, we can just pull up and remove the reservoir. Use a pry bar and pry it up right here and then pull it off. Make sure you have your rag around there. To install it, I'm going to actually put my hose on first. Make sure that that notch is in the hose. And slide your hose clamp down. There's two brackets, one here and one here, and you're going to slide this and this into it. It's that in the back. Hook it onto the front and apply pressure. It should snap into place. Now we're going to put in our plug on this side. And we'll put our line right there. Now we can top it off. Because we didn't take all the fluid out of the system, you still have some in the radiator. You just want to top off that reservoir. You're not going to have to bleed the system. So just top it off, make sure it's at the max. Make sure you have heat and everything's working right. Now we're going to put on the coolant cap. Make sure it clicks closed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.